everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys another Dollar Tree haul. It's my second one so far this year, and I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got. Husband was with me, and usually when the husband's with me, he grabs a bunch of stuff. I've been really good on not buying stuff that I don't need. I've been mostly just buying stuff to work on some DIYs. And a couple things here and there, but when the husband's with me, he grabs a ton of things, and I don't have a problem with that. But I'm just gonna dig in and share with you guys what I got. So Ben wanted these. These are the gummy blocks shaped gummies. They're kind of like Legos that you can play with together. They're okay. They're not like the greatest ones. It's really hard for them to attach to each other, but he wanted those, and I'm like, whatever. If you guys want to get that, you can have it. So. And then we always like, you know, getting some snacks. Dollar Tree is good for snacks. Ben helped himself to the whales.
Yes. These are mine, and there's so many flavors.
Okay.
And these are the things you can build on the back.
Okay, thanks, little man. We always like goldfish, but he likes whales, and these taste exactly like goldfish, and for a fraction of the price. And
they're kind of cheesy.
Yeah, they're cheesy, but you can have those, honey.
Yeah.
But those, you know, those are good snacks. Those are repeater snacks that we got. And then Graham already helped himself. He wanted some dots, so we got him some dots if Benjamin wants to come give this to Daddy. I'm like, Graham, let me do a video. No, I want some snacks.
They're already open.
Yeah, go give those to Daddy. So there you go. And then the next thing Graham found were these milk chocolate Mousse Munch premium popcorn. Now, he's like, he looked at the thing, and they actually say Harry and David on it. It's not going to focus. But he got 3 of these bags, and he already ate one already in the car, and he said these were very good. I mean, he chomped it down before we even got out of the parking lot. He said these were really good. I mean, and the thing is, like, the bag is actually, you know, filled to the top. I mean, you guys get a pretty good chunk for it, but he really enjoyed these, and these are like kind of a name brand stuff. I know Harry and David, we have one that's like 30-45 minutes from us, and the place is kind of pricey, but he found those, so I'm like, whatever, if that makes you happy. He found some energy drinks. I don't drink energy drinks, but he found some. So he got the NOS in Rowdy Punch. So we got Rowdy Punch NOS, and then he got Gronk. Like, he likes Gronk. He must have had some special drink, so her husband got the Monster Energy. So yeah, like when I go, I barely grab anything. That's why you guys haven't seen me do a Dollar Tree haul, but when Graham comes, he likes to buy everything. I am working on another DIY that I wanted to share with you guys. So I ended up getting these party favors. This is for something that I'm going to be working on. I already have a list of stuff that I want to make, so these probably won't be done for a while, but I'm going to probably film the video soon. But I do want to bring out more DIY videos to my channel because, you know, my name is DesignerJen, even though it has nothing to do with I went to school for interior design. That's how I got my channel name. But that's just something I want to do. I want to do 50% coupon and 50% DIY just because I enjoy it, and I'm staying at home more, less shopping, less buying. Husband got this again. These are the rice crackers snack mix. He really enjoys this. This is a repeat buy that he has bought. I have not tried these yet. I don't know if I have or not, but he really enjoys it, so I'm like, whatever. If you want to get snacks, you go ahead. And then speaking of DIYs, I am going to be doing a DIY with these dice. I found some really good ideas that I want to do, so I thought this would be a good chance. I wish these were a little bit bigger, but you know what? That is fine. But I'm excited to share with you guys what I'm going to do with these. I may or may not need more. I have to figure out my project, but I am pretty excited to share with you guys on that for those DIYs. This is something that my husband has been obsessed with for the last 2 months. Every time I go to the Dollar Tree, which I have been going to multiple Dollar Trees because I'm trying to find these specific items that are really hard to find. So I always get my husband, you know, a treat when we go to the Dollar Tree, and he really loves this licorice, the Willy Wallaby. I'm surprised he's not sick of these yet, but he just absolutely loves them. My store finally had some Cake Boss stuff. Like, I found the muffin tins. I found one of them one day, and I'm like, oh, I want to get that. And I want to get more muffin tins because mine really need to be replaced. And those are actually pretty good. Well, he grabbed this. Now, this isn't really what we're going to use it for, but he got a icing spatula. we're not using this for icing. We're just going to use this, you know, if we need to spread some stuff, because these are good like spreaders for that. And I might want to do some more cooking videos, so definitely going to get these. But for $1, you can't go wrong with that. I know people are going nuts over the Cake Boss stuff, so it's like a hit or miss with that. But for $1, you guys can't go wrong for like pretty decent quality. I mean, I think it's pretty decent quality stuff. And then I ended up getting some floral wire. I just bought it just on a whim because I have a couple, you know, ideas for DIYs, and it's purple, you guys. Purple floral wire I think is pretty awesome, so I ended up getting that because it's purple, and purple is my favorite color, so got that. And then I have one more bag for you guys to share with you guys. Now, I never knew this, but my Dollar Tree has giant bags. She's like, well, I'm bringing out the big bag, and I'm like, I've never even seen a big bag. I never knew Dollar Tree even had big bags, so it's like, whatever. So we ended up getting this Get Your Cake On. It's a 2-piece roll and mat set. One comes with a square, and the other one's like a square plus the round thing. When I pulled it out, it actually felt like it was pretty decent quality for what I can use this for. I mean, it's just a regular paper, but I plan on actually using one of these for my crafting table because it's got the squares on it. So I thought, we're gonna get this. He decided he wanted one for the kitchen, or he had somebody he has an idea for, but we got 2 of them. But perfect, one is perfect for my crafting area when I need to measure certain things, and I think this will take up one of the tables that I have, so pretty great idea that I can use for that. And then we got a Fondant Rolling Pin. Now, he wanted 2 of them, but I like rolling pins, especially, you know, something decent, and these are easy to wash. So I ended up getting 2 of these. I mean, they got some weight to it. Plus, I like it how I can just put it in the dishwasher. Or if I have some DIYs that I need to use one for, it's a pretty good way to use that. But that was all the Cake Boss stuff that we had. They had a couple more things, but that was pretty much it that they had. And then I ended up getting this sign. I was going to do a quick little DIY for this sign. I thought I was going to do something for Valentine's Day and put some wording on it. So if you guys need some ideas, you guys can go ahead and do that if you have a Cricut machine. But other than that, that's pretty much what I got. Like I said, I'm not going crazy. I'm not trying to get stuff that I don't need. Like I said, the husband mostly got stuff for him in his belly because that's what he does. And I'm mostly going for DIYs. So you guys can kind of have an idea on what I'm going to make. So if you guys, you know, think of something, or if you guys are like, oh, okay, I gotta get that, because if you guys like to copy my ideas, which that's why I'm showing you guys awesome. Sorry, you guys, my camera died, and it's like, give me like 5 more seconds so I can end it. But other than that, yes, I was gonna stop talking and say thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Definitely check out more Dollar Tree hauls for me. I know you guys really enjoy it. And I know you guys really enjoy watching me get stuff to show you guys some crafts to make. So, again, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I don't know what else to say, so bye-bye.